Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is playing with numbers. Chapter name, Playing with Numbers. You all know what is number. The subject mathematics, we are always using numbers. Different types of numbers are there. You have studied the properties of numbers and different types of numbers. Today we are going to discuss factors and multiples. You have already studied what is the factor or what are the multiples. So let's recall. What are the factors of 8? What are the factors of 8? How you can write 8? 8 as 1 into 8. Similarly, 8 equal to 2 into 4. Then 3 into something is 8? No. 4 into 2. That already you have written as 2 into 4. So, factors of 8 we can write. What are the factors of 8? Factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. Is it? So, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So, let's do another number, that is something 10. How can you write 10 equal to 1 into 10, then 2 into 5, any other number, 3 into something? No. 4 into? No. Then 5 into 2, that already written. So, you can write factors of 10 is equal to, what are they? Factors of 10 equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. Can you understand in what order I am writing? First 1, then 2, then 5, then 10. Isn't it? Okay. So, in the last problem, I taken the number 8. Then in that 1 was there. Isn't it? Here also 1 is there. Okay. So, if you are writing any number, another way also, you can use another way to write the factor. For example, if the number is 15, the number is 15, just 1 into 15, 2 into nothing is there, 3 into 5, 4 into not possible, 5 into 3, that is already written. So factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. So let's do the next one, 20. Okay, if you are taking the number 20, how can you write 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 3 into nothing is there, 4 into 5, 6 into nothing, 7 into nothing. Is it? So we don't want to continue. So the factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. In all this, what you can say? What you can say? 1 is there. In both, 1 is there. Okay, I will tell this later. Now you just understand that factors, in that factor 1 will be there. Okay. Then children, do you know the division? Do you know the division? Parts of division? There are 4 terms: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. What is dividend? Yeah, that what we are dividing, that number is called dividend. If you are dividing with another number, that is called divisor. What is that? If you are dividing the number you will get, that is called quotient. Something is remaining means that is remainder. Understand the 4 words: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Then you see, in this problem, I have taken 15 and 20. Isn't it? In 15, what are the factors? 1, 3, 15 and 5, or 1, 3, 5 and 15. Is it? So you just see this. If I am dividing 15 with one of its factor 3, what I have to write here? 5. 5 into 3, 15. I am getting the remainder 0. That means 3 is the exact divisor here. 3 is the divisor. Because when I am dividing with the factor, I am not getting the remainder. Remainder is 0. That means here 3 is the exact divisor of 15. If you are considering the number 20 and I am dividing with this one of the factor 4, what I am getting? Here also 4 is the exact divisor. So we can conclude that factor is, what is? Factor is the exact divisor of that number. Exact divisor. Factor is the exact divisor. You understood, children? Factor is the exact divisor. Okay. I think that you understood that what is the factor. You clear the idea? Then next we can conclude something about factors. Before telling the factors, properties of factors, let's move to multiples. You all know that. What is multiple? Multiplication table and all you know multiples. Is it? If I am taking the number 3, what are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, isn't it? Etc. These are called multiples. You understood the difference between multiples and factors? Factors means exact divisor. Multiple means just multiply that number times. Multiples means times. Is it? Okay. Then let's conclude some properties of factors and multiples. 1 is the factor of every number. Just now I have discussed that 1 is factor of every number. If you are taking a number, 1 will be the factor. Okay. And also every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. If you are taking the number 7, what are the factors you can write? 1 into 7. Here 7 is there. If you are taking another number 16, what are the factors of 16? Tell me. 1, 2, 3 factor? No. 4, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there? No. 8 is there. Then 16. So here also 16. So every number is factor of that number itself. 7 factor is 7. 16 factor is also 7. So the second property is every number is factor of itself. Third one is every factor of a number is exact divisor of that number. Every factor is the exact divisor. If you are 16 by 16, you will get the remainder 0. 7 by 7, you are getting the remainder is 0. You clear? If I am taking 16 and dividing by 16, surely I will get the remainder 0. So 16 is the exact divisor. If I am taking 7, dividing by 7, remainder is 0. So exact factor. Clear? So every factor of a number is exact divisor of that number. The next property is every factor is less than or equal to given that number. Every factor is less than or equal to that given number. Okay, let's take another number. What is that? Any number? 6 I am taking. Factor is 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Any other factor? No. So you know that 1 is less than 6, 2 less than 6, 3 less than 6, 6 equal to 6. So every number is every factor is less than that number or equal to. In the last case it is equal to that. Okay. So you can conclude that every factor is less than or equal to that number. Every factor is less than or equal to that given number. Okay. Then next, number of factors of a given number are finite. That also very easy to understand, is it? If you are taking the number 6, its factors what? 1, 2, 3, 6. If you are taking the number 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Finite, countable. We can count very less number. Finite means very less in that number. So every number is, every factors of a number given number are finite, countable. Then next, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that given number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that given number. Okay. That is, if you are taking the number 4, its multiple. 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 4, 20, 6 into 4, 24, 7 into 4, 28, etc. When you are comparing all these, 4 is equal to 4, 8 is greater than 4, 12 is greater than 4, 16 is greater than 4, isn't it? So every multiples are greater than 4. Every multiples of that number is greater than. First one will be equal, then next one will be greater than that number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means some numbers are, one number is equal and other numbers are greater than. Next property, number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Isn't it? You just think about the multiples. Can you count all the multiples? No, it is infinite. We cannot count. If for a number, there will be infinite number of multiples. Then every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Is it? So 4. 4 first multiple is 4. So 4 is the multiple of 4. 5. 5 into 1, 5. So 5 is the multiple of 5. If you are taking 8, 8 equal to 8 into 1, that also multiple. So every number is multiple of that itself. Okay, I think you clear. Then two problems, let's discuss. Write all the factors of 68. Is it? Write all the factors of 68. Okay, how can you write 68? 1 into 68, 2 into 34, 3 into, no, 4 into 17. Then the factor 5 into nothing will be there, 6 into nothing will be 7 into, okay. So we can stop here. So the factors of 68 are, 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, 68. 1, 2, 4, you can see that 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, 68. Okay. Similarly, find the factors of 36. Find the factors of 36. How will you write factors of 36? 36. 36, 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Okay, so the factors of 36 are, tell me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 we don't want to repeat, 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay. So this content is over here. Now let's write the notes. Okay. All of you write. Next I am going to give the notes. Okay. So children, take your notebook and write the chapter's name. Do you remember chapter name? Chapter name is, I have said you, chapter 2, playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. All of you write. Playing with numbers. Okay. Playing with numbers. Then you write factors and multiples. Next side heading, you write factors. Factors and multiples. PLES. Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Underline. I think you have completed. Then you write 6 equal to 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Below that, right? Factors of 6 equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Next, 10. 1 into 10, 2 into 5. You understand that if you are proceeding, the numbers will be repeated. So you don't want to, you can stop there. Then you write factors of 10 equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. Okay. Then you write 36. This way you can write 36. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. So, once more you do like this, it is easy to remember. 36. 1, 36. 2, 18. 3, 12. 4 into 9, 6 into 6. I think you have completed. Below that you write factors of 36. Factors of equal to 1, 2, see your notebook and write 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Factors of 36 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay. Then you write multiples of 2 equal to 2, 4, etc. Multiples of 2 equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, etc. Okay, completed. Then all of you have finished. Next you write multiples of 5. All of you write multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 equal to What are they? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, etc. Okay, good. Next, we can write parts of division. Next, you write parts of division. It is actually not in the part of this one, but you must understand that. Parts of division. Parts of division. Parts of division. Okay. Underline that. Parts of division. Then you underline. Write this. The terms you understand. 11 divided by 2. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. I am giving the time to write. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. That 4 terms you understand. Okay. Below that you write note. If the remainder is 0, if the remainder is 0, we can tell the divisor is the exact divisor. If the remainder is 0, we can tell the divisor is the exact divisor. Exact divisor. Okay. Then you write, we can conclude. You write in the notebook, we can conclude. We can conclude. First point, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. 1 is a factor of every number. Second one, every number is a factor of itself. 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 Below that you write example 5 equal to 1 into 5. Example 5 equal to 1 into 5. Below that you write 1 is the factor of 5. 5 is the factor of 5. 1 is the factor of 5. 5 is the factor of 5. So it is very clear, children. 1 is the factor of every number. That number is a factor of that number itself. Okay. Write these 2 points. 1 is the factor of 5. 5 is the factor of 5. 1 is the factor of 5. 5 is the factor of 5. Okay. Third point. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Example 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5. Okay. Below that you write 5 is the exact divisor. 5 is the exact divisor of 20. 5 is the exact divisor of 20. 5 is the exact divisor of 20. Okay. Next, every factor is less than or equal to that given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Okay. Example. Factors 1, 15, 3, 5. Write like this. 1, 15, 3, 5. Okay. So you write factors of 15 equal to what are they? 1 is there, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 15 equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. That is what you can write. 1 less than 15. 1 by 1 you write 3 less than 15. Okay. Below that what you can write? I think all of you have completed. I can rub it. 1 less than 15. 3 less than 15. 5 less than 15. And 15 equal to 15. That is every factors of a number is less than or equal to that number. Next point. Number of factors of a given number are finite. Number of factors of a given number are finite. Number of factors of a given number are finite. In the bracket, open a bracket and write countable. In the bracket you write countable. Okay. Once more I'll tell. Number of factors of a given number are finite. In the bracket, countable. Next point, sixth point. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Example. Multiples of 2. Equal to. Multiples. 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 Of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Below that you write 2 equal to 2, 4 greater than 2, 6 greater than 2, 8 greater than 2, 10 greater than 2, 12 greater than 2, etc. Okay. Finished? What is the conclusion here? Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. First one equal, all others are greater than. Okay. Seventh point. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Number of multiples of a given number is infinite. In the bracket you write endless. In the bracket you write endless. endless. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. In the bracket endless. Number of multiples of a given number is infinite. In the bracket endless. You know that cannot count. Last point. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Okay. Example you write 21 equal to 1 into 21. 30 equal to 1 into 30. 52 1 into 52. Okay. I think that you understood everything. Let's do the problems. Okay. First question. Write all the factors of 68. Write all the factors of 68. Write all the factors of 68. The easy method I have said, 68. 1 into 68. 2 into 34. 4 into 17. Okay. So the factors of 68 are, write the last sentence. Factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, 68. Factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. Okay. Next step. Find the factors of 36. Find the factors of 36. Find the factors of 36. How you can do? 36 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Last one 6. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Okay. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Okay, you don't want to copy, you try yourself. Then you write the factors of 36 are, factors of 36 are, factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay, good. I think you have completed. So children, today we have discussed factors and multiples and its properties also. If anybody didn't understand any of the point, please send the message or you just voice clip, send the voice clip also, no problem. I will help you. Feel very free to ask the doubts. Okay. So next is homework. Homework is, please note it. Homework exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Okay. So once more I am telling, if anybody have any problem to understand any of the concept, please send the message. Okay, we are ready to help you. Okay, thank you.